Yo, what up? Welcome to Dadash International. I go by the name of Payme.
And I go by the name of Mike. Sorry, man.
Yo, what up? Welcome to Dadash International. I go by the name of Payme.
And I go by the name of Mikey.
We're here to do our first reaction on this channel, this brand new channel. We are from Denmark, but we're gonna do a lot of international reactions. We're gonna do Stormzy today. He just released a new song called Sounds of the Skeng. I really don't know what to expect.
Nah, me neither. Me neither. Maybe a hard beat and some dope bars. Yeah. It is Stormzy, so
yeah. Alright, so we just go for it?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
Let go. Yo, when the man comes in. Yeah.
Easy. And it's like 5 whole years on a circuit. Every single year I mark it. Every single year. I switch flows, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that, give me that. Cause if it's like a bitch ass nigga, I'ma make it look perfect.
Yeah. What's your first impressions?
Dope start. He's going mad in with the raw delivery. I like it. You?
Sounds pretty good so far. I can't wait to hear the rest. I like the beat. I like the way he delivers. Let's go.
Yeah, and he also says jerk it, reverse it, worth it, and murk it, and circuit. So it rhymes on every last word.
I'ma make it look perfect. Kyrie probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And then nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my bad like kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul with my friends, foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are different.
Dope. I really like the pocket he went in there.
Yeah.
Sounds of the Skeng, found with the pen, all that shit sounded great, man.
Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah.
I miss the Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging.
Name a nigga that's this consistent. Man, that was dope as well.
I know a lot of you guys listen to Stormzy a lot more than we do. So please let us know in a comment if Stormzy really is consistent. I love the fact that he ended the verse saying he is consistent. But is he really? What came before Vossi Bop that really hit?
Yeah.
In it too much, you man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up. Facts. We talking racks, we talking plaques, all stats. I rude, but you do the math. I look chilly in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The small's got a step to my swag and drips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now, but man, like, kick off your fake.
Second verse?
Fire as well.
Yeah, you was feeling it?
Yeah, I was feeling it most definitely. Big for my boot, but it's funny how it fits now. And I'm way too big for my boots.
Yeah.
I think that was a nice reference to one of his older songs. So, yeah, I like when they do that.
Yeah, definitely. Keep going?
Yeah, man.
I'm worse, man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this one.
I really love the fact that there's really no pause between the verse and the hook. It's just like he really went in, and it's like he's enjoying himself on this track. I really love that fact.
Yeah, me too. And he's going fast all the way in the song. There's no parts with sloppy flow or something.
Nah. Third verse.
So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose and your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this track. They're trying to figure out what is this track. Me and Flipper come and flip this track. My fifth big like miss this track. Little niggas can't hit this trend. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this trend. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Big it in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this straight. Don't talk like President flips this straight. Real niggas gonna dig this straight, but man might kick off your face.
Yeah. Third verse.
Great as well, man. He's really going in on this song.
Yeah.
I like the way he ends the bars with this joint almost in every sentence in this verse.
I'm worse, man might leave with your babes and burst. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful. I know I do man dirt. Stop, allow me again, this sounds of the same. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are my different. Nigga run Mr. Same, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
And they're just gonna let the beat ride out.
Yeah.
I really loved the whole 2 seconds of saxophone we got in this beat. I think he ended one of the verses with it, or the hook or something, but I just really loved that sound, so I wish that was more present throughout.
My dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Same, stop the difference. No assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Det der. Det der er mere super tight, synes jeg. Yeah, so final thoughts on Stormzy. Sounds at his gang, brand new single from the big man from the UK.
Yeah, man.
I like this, and I think as soon as you know every part, as soon as you can rap along with Stormzy, you're gonna enjoy this song a lot more, I think.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be on the Doing the Dishes playlist for me, and I'm definitely gonna listen to this again.
Yeah, I'm gonna listen to it as well. The more you listen to it, the more you would like it.
Yeah,
I think so. Yeah, definitely great song.
Yeah. So
Thumbs up.
This was our first video on this new channel called Dallas International.
Yep.
If you know how to speak Danish, go check out our 2 Danish channels, Dallas 8997, and also check out
Dallas Zone.
Yeah, I think that's about it. Dallas International. Peace.
Peace.